Hi friends, welcome to Abhi tutorials. Today in this video we'll see what is the difference between substitute and replace in Power BI DAX. Okay, first let's see what is substitute. So substitute will be substituting the word in a column. Okay, for example, I have a region column here. If I want to replace all east with west, entire word, if you want to replace, then we have to use substitute. Okay, let's see. Let's take one calculated column. Okay, so here I'll put it something like sub. Okay, name. Okay, substitute, and test is my region column. Okay, and old test, what is the old test you want to replace? That is east. Okay, I want to replace east with west. Okay guys, so now this will replace all east with west. Let's see that. Okay, so let's take a column sub. So like this, wherever east is there, that is replaced with west. Okay. So substitute is nothing but if you want to replace any word, whole word, then we have to use substitute. So what is replace? Replace is nothing but if you want to replace some of the characters, substring in a string with some other string, then we will use the replace. Okay, let us see with the example. Let us take here order ID in the table. Okay, so in this, for example, I want to replace 2014 with 2016. That means 2014 is a substring in entire order ID string. So if you want to replace some characters, not entire word, some characters in a column, then you can use the replace. Okay, let us see that. Let us take a calculated column, replace. Okay, let's take replace. So what is the old test? Old test is the order ID. Okay, order ID. Okay, let's take order ID. Okay, so what is the start position? Start position is 2, right? So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth character. Then starting position is 4. Okay, number of characters. How many characters are there in 2014? 4 characters are there. Okay, number of characters. Then what is the new test? 2016. Okay guys, so I am replacing some of the characters in a column, then we'll use the replace. Okay, let's see that. Let's take the replace. Okay, then if you see, all 2014 are replaced with 2016. Okay, so that is the difference between substitute and replace. Substitute will replace all entire word. Okay, but your replace column, replace will be replacing some of the characters in a column. Okay guys, so that is the difference between substitute and replace. Hope you understand this video. If you understand and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for more such DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.